Hello everybody, hope everyone's well, having a fantastic day today. Today you only need, or I only need, 5 ingredients. So I'm going to be using a ciabatta roll. I'm going to be using a 4 cheese blend, which has obviously got 4 different blends of cheese in it. I'm going to use some jalapenos, and I'm going to use the leftover chicken, or some of the leftover chicken from the barbecue that I cooked last night. And I'm also going to use some tomato puree. So here I am, smearing some tomato puree on this ciabatta roll that I've cut in half. I've also put some jalapenos on, and there I am putting the chicken on. Chicken was still moist, even though it had been in the fridge, in a bag, which was lovely. Hope everyone enjoys the video. In the cheese is some mozzarella, mild cheddar. From there, I'm going to put the cheese on top. Double Gloucestershire. A blend of 4 different cheeses. So into the ridge monkey. Ridge monkeys are great for using when you're fishing or camping or whatever you're doing. Just onto the gas there. Just flipped it a couple of times and out onto the plate. This is where I'm going to try and make it back into a sandwich. Which didn't work out very well, to be honest. I thought, do you know what? I'll try and cut that in half. The initial thought was good, but nope, didn't work out that way. Started to make a right old mess of it. One side's alright, but to be honest, it was delicious. So the chicken was nice, the cheese was nice, and the jalapenos were even better. Tomato puree, yeah. I enjoyed this sandwich.